In continuation with this about this sensor trainer MIT, so I'm going to demonstrate MIT1 strain and pressure measurement MIT1. I have got a manual also, and this indicates half and full bridge. I have kept this one as strain full bridge. So this is the experiment that I'm going to demonstrate right now. I need to keep 12 volt. One is a ground. So these three connections I have done. I'll make it on. This is strain full bridge. The output I will connect from here, and one more patch cord I will connect it to the ground. I'll connect it to the ground. This I have kept at 20 volt DC. It is showing 0 volt. So you need to do a calibration right now. When there is no strain, correct? It is 0. And after that, to 25 mm, I am applying strain here. Four strain are connected here. 2 strain here, 2 strain here onto this spring steel grip. It is written here spring steel strip. So as I'm wearing strain, as I'm applying strain, the output voltage is also changing. You see, but this is calibration right now. I'm showing a calibration right now. So we have provided a span pot and 0 pot to do this calibration. So I'm applying maximum strain right now. So it shows up to 0, and 0 should coincide of this micrometer. It is approximately 0. So 0 and 0 has coincided. I'll make this to 2 volt by using this span potentiometer. Approximately 2 volt, exactly 2 volt. So now I will take reading. Students will have to take reading after different this one, like this given in the manual: 0 mm micrometer, 5 mm, 10 mm, 15 mm, 20 mm, 25 mm. They will get full when it is full bridge. The answers are provided at the back side.